If you wear a surgical mask and don't know a solution on how to adjust it to make this fit your face better, well, I'm going to show you 3 steps on how to make this fit your face better. Remove air so it'll fit your face with comfort. Enjoy the video. Alright, here's what you do. You get your surgical mask, you fold it in half, make it even, get these straps right here, try to tie them into a knot as close as possible to this on both sides, and then once you have both sides on there, tied into a knot, grab this right here, push this in, and it will cause a good seal. And when you get it all adjusted, everything should look like this. It should fit your face a lot better. If I can get it on my face. Adjust it to how you like it. It should fit with comfort. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and have a great day.